What's the best way to introduce children to contemporary art at the new museum? Imagine walking into a space where art sparks curiosity and invites exploration. That's exactly what the new museum in New York aims to do for young visitors. The key to introducing children to contemporary art here is through fun, hands-on activities that make artworks come alive. Instead of just looking at paintings or sculptures, kids get to touch, create, and ask questions. The museum offers special programs designed for children and teenagers. For younger kids, there are guided tours that focus on storytelling and simple explanations. These tours are tailored to their age, making complex ideas easy to understand. For example, guides might ask children to find certain colors or shapes in the art, turning a walk through the gallery into a playful game. For older children and teens, the new museum has the New Teens program. This is a free after-school program for young people from 14 to 19 years old. Participants join workshops where they learn about art and culture through making their own art projects. They also discuss themes like identity, society, and creativity, which helps them connect with the artworks on a deeper level. This program encourages peer interaction and gives teens a chance to express themselves. The museum also uses interactive activities like scavenger hunts, where children search for clues in the galleries. These hunts make children look carefully at artworks and think about what they see. Sometimes, the museum hosts artist talks, where children can hear directly from artists about how they make their work. These conversations can inspire kids to see art as a way to share their own ideas. For families visiting with young children, the museum suggests engaging in art workshops. These are short, fun sessions where kids can create art inspired by current exhibitions. The museum also provides free lesson plans for teachers, so schools can bring students to learn and create outside the museum. Supporting these programs benefits the broader community and helps children develop a love for art and culture. It also aligns with New York State's goal of making arts accessible to everyone. When children participate in these activities, they learn to see art as a form of expression and communication. In short, the best way to introduce children to contemporary art at the new museum is through interactive, creative experiences that are tailored to different ages. Whether it's a guided tour, a hands-on workshop, or a lively discussion, these approaches make art engaging and meaningful for young minds.